How to tell if a voice is AI or a real human, what to listen for. Tiny cues reveal synthetic speech, timing inconsistencies, missing breaths, odd texture. Listen closely for unnatural pauses, hyper-consistent timing, and robotic intonation. Side-by-side comparisons make differences obvious: tone, rhythm, and micropauses. Inspect the waveform. AI often produces overly uniform patterns and fewer spikes. Next, we'll analyze these clips using the ElevenLabs AI Classifier demo. Open the ElevenLabs dashboard and upload your audio sample quickly. The interface shows a large waveform, transcription, and confidence meters. Run classification and review the label plus the probability score displayed. A high AI probability combined with flat waveform indicates synthetic voice. When results are borderline, listen again and check source metadata for clues. ElevenLabs offers fast, clear guidance. Use it as part of your verification workflow.